Business Cal, topic 7. Sorry about the graininess of the film. Okay, so we want to approach 0 from the left and right of this function right here. So let's set up a table, the left and right side values for x. Okay, so I need a number that's to the right of 0. 0.1 is to the right of 0. And a number to the left of 0 would be negative 0.1. Now I want to choose numbers that are closer and closer to 0. So on the right, I'll get closer by using 0.01. On the left, I'll get closer by using negative 0.01. Close on the right still would be 0.001, and close on the left would be negative 0.001 here. Okay. And I'll keep that up to kind of see what values I'll be heading toward. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in my grapher y equals, I'm going to put the function okay, I'm going to put parentheses x minus 12 and close parentheses divided by open parentheses x minus 3. Close that. And just to make sure that I can input 0, I'm going to look at my domain inside my window. I see my x min is 0. I'm going to change that to x min will be negative 2. My x max is 16. That's okay. Okay, so now I'll hit trace. And I'm going to put in 0.1 and then enter. And I get about 4. I'll put in 0.01, enter. And now I get 4.01. Here I got 4.1. And I'll put in 0.001, and I get 4.001. Okay, so I'm going to assume this is finally going to round to 4. So the value that I'm heading toward is 4 here. From the left side, I'm going to put in negative 0.1, enter, and I get 3.9. And from here, I'll put negative 0.01, and I get 3.99. Now I'll put negative 0.001, and now I get 3.999. So if I keep this up, I'm going to assume that I'm heading toward the number 4. So the left and right side agree. So the limit here, number 4. Okay, here I'm headed towards 7. So I'm going to have a left side and a right side. So 7 from the right side will be 7.1. 7.01 gets me closer, and 7.001 gets me even closer. Okay, I'm going to keep that up until I get a value here. Then from the left, what's close on the left will be 6.9. What's closer is 6.99, and what's even closer is 6.999. And I'll keep that up until I find a value. So let's put in y equals, let's put in x squared, let's do an insert and square that. And then I'm going to put in minus 7 divided by x minus 7. And then I'm going to go into my domain. I know I have Windows, and my x max is 16, so that's well covered. So I'm going to hit trace, and I'm going to put in 7.1, and I'm getting 434.1, and then I'm going to put in 7.01, and now I'm getting 4,214.0, and now let's put in 7.001, and I'm getting 72,014. Okay, so this is getting larger and larger, so I know this is going to positive infinity. Put the other side in. 6.9, enter, and I'm getting negative 406.1, and I put in 6.99, and now I'm getting negative 4,186.0, and I kind of see where this is going. 6.9999, and I'm getting 41,986. Okay, so this is going to negative infinity. So it's a negative there. Negative infinity. And so they're both sides are diverging. In fact, they're diverging in different directions. So I can tell that this is certainly an asymptote at 7. But anyway, there's divergence. So there's no value here. So okay, the next one. Left side and the right side. And x is going toward negative 2. So to the right of negative 2 will be negative 1.9. To the left of negative 2 will be negative 2.1. Okay. Now to get closer from the right, I'll go to negative 1.99 and then negative 1.999. And I'll keep that up if I have to. To get closer from the left, I'll start off at negative 2.1 and get closer with negative 2.01 and then closer to negative 0.001. And I'll keep that up. Okay, so let's get that into the calculator. So y equals, let's clear out the entire equation here, and I'll open the parenthesis and put in x squared plus 4x plus 4 close parenthesis divided by open parenthesis x plus 2 close that parenthesis. And my domain has to be close to negative 2, so let's go into the window part, and let's make the x min negative 4. Okay, that'll cover me. Alright, so let's trace. Alright, so let's put in negative 1.9. Try to get negative 1.9, enter, and I get 0.1. Let's try negative 1.99, and now I'm getting 0.01. Let's try negative 1.999, and now I'm getting 0.001. Alright, so as this goes, this looks like it's getting smaller and smaller, so let's hit it towards 0. Let's look at the other side. Negative 2.1, enter, and I'm getting negative 0.1. And I'm going to put in negative 2.01, and now I'm getting negative 0.01. And let's try negative 2.001, enter, and now I'm getting negative 0.001. Okay, so this is getting smaller and smaller, heading towards 0. So the limit of this will be 0 as x heads toward negative 2.